So, very good afternoon to one and all. I hope my voice is clear and my PPT is visible to all. Yes. Can I have the confirmation, please? Hello. 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 Am I audible and my screen is visible to all? Yes, Sanket. Am I audible? Hello. Yeah, ma'am. Is all okay? Yeah. Thank you, Sanket. So I'm starting with my presentation. So yeah, it's a great pleasure for me that as I have started this session and fortunately I'm ending same. So welcome to all this program center for SC/ST student in IICT and given to the Tulsiram Gaikwad group. So let's go with this GATE aptitude session with the analytical aptitude, and that is analogy. So I am Amarjit Pandey. Yeah. So meanwhile, first, basically, we are going to have the basic introduction, which I have given in first class. Within a minute, I'll going to wrap up, and then we'll start with our basically analogy part. So yes, so today the outlines are, first we'll go with some introduction about GATE, what important point, and then we'll go with the discussion, syllabus discussion one more time, then analogy. And whenever I'm talking about analogy, my friend, it has simply, if you see, we have simply 5 different questions which has been asked in GATE. So I'm going to cover all with some questions. So it will give you an insight about the idea that how the thing is going to be there. Means which type of question asked, how we are going to solve. Because as far as this analogy is concerned, it is very easy. Okay, it is not so much difficult, and it has some pattern. Okay, so word pattern simply represent some of the similarities whatever given in question, friend. Okay, so this is all about this thing. Okay, and then again with some discussion we have GATE questions and all. Okay, so friend, As far as GATE is concerned, we all know that this is the exam which is jointly conducted by the Premier Institute of India, like IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Roorkee, and IISc Bangalore. Yeah. So generally now this time IIT Bombay is going to conduct, and this is what the session where different basically institute has been there. What we get, that is very important, friend, and this is what the basically purpose why we are doing this work. Okay, so generally you can go with the MTech, MS, ME, PhD from you can pursue postgraduate diploma in manufacturing or in project management from NITI Mumbai. Okay, this is what NITI, considered as NITI Mumbai. Then we have several reputed Maharatna and Naratna PSUs and research organization recruit on basis of GATE score, my friend, and that is a very important thing. Okay, so if you want a package of 1 lakh per month, okay, and CTC of more than 12 lakhs, so this is what the good opportunity which is there. Okay, so like IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation, NTPC, BHEL, PGCIL, Power Grid Corporation, BARC, CSIR, these are the simple Maharatna and Naratna PSUs. And if you want to be in the legacy, in the noble profession, that is teaching, then again it is very much important, and that is IIT, NITs, and other reputed institutes where we are. And then JRF, like if you want to go with the research, then there is 2 posts. One is junior research fellow, and second one is senior research fellow, friend. So you can go based on this only. If you crack the GATE, then only you are going to have this. Then you can have the scientist, means you can have a job of basically research in for a grade of C grade in scientist post. Then yeah, if you're doing post graduation, then after MTech with respect to GATE, you can go with a research and development basically area. Then multinational firm shortlist candidate on the basis of GATE score. Yeah, friend, there is some company like TCS, Infosys. If you have a GATE score and if you're putting in your resume, then naturally you will be getting an upper hand with this. Okay, and then there is some international university we have which offer MS or PhD program on the basis of GATE. And the last lecture I have basically told you that. Yeah. So that is very important. Okay, so like Michigan, then we have Germany. Okay, so these are some countries where this GATE score is valid, and mostly SNU, Singapore National University, my friend, world's top college. Okay, is ranking in top 10 basically. So there you can get admission based on this GATE, my friend. So this is what all about what you get if you are cracking this GATE exam, and very important, friend. Yes, as far as syllabus discussion, generally I'm going to focus that what is the change in syllabus in 2021 with respect to 2020, GATE 2020, friend. Okay, so here, as I already I have covered this idioms and phrases in context reading and comprehensive and narrative sequencing. So this is what added new topic in 2021, my friend. Okay, so that is very important, and I have covered this. Hope you all have practiced through this one. Yeah. Okay. Next is, friend, yes, if you're talking about a quantitative aptitude, in that the new topic which is there in GATE 2021 is power, exponent, logarithm and series, mensuration, geometry, elementary, statics and probability. So this is also there basically with respect to this GATE 2020. Means these are the new, I have gone with logarithm. I have talked with mensuration, geometry. So it's a luckily part that I have covered all whatever the new topics are there. I have covered this for you all. Okay, and in GATE 2021 syllabus, basically permutation and combination, elementary, statics and probability was specifically added in quantitative aptitude, my friend. So you need to focus more, because these are the new topic which are there in 2021. So naturally the question will be focused on this one. Okay. Yeah. Now, analytical aptitude, we are concerned, friend. Here, deduction and induction, analogy, numerical relations. Okay, so this generally is going to highlight in this particular 2021 GATE exam. Now, analogy and relation are the part of reasoning. This topic exists in GATE 2020 syllabus as well, but now it is revealed in 2021. Are you getting? Because if you're putting reasoning, so reasoning consists of all this, my friend, but now they are specifically putting this one, that means the question will be asked on this particular. Okay, now these are the exam pattern that I have discussed with you generally. So if you are talking about aptitude, my friend, you can now consider that 15 marks out of 100, it is based on your aptitude, and mathematics is all about 15 marks. So one can say that if you are good at aptitude, which we are doing, and if you are good at basically your mathematics, and one of the technical subject which you are comfortable with, if you are going to have this three only, then you can crack this gate exam very easily, my friend. So this is what the importance of aptitude in gate 2021. So focus on this particular. Yes. So yeah, verbal, if you're talking about, I have covered with the yeah, narrative one. So I have covered this one in the last one, that is on 21st of December. I have covered this reading and comprehension for you all. Then I have covered with this logarithm and exponent and mensuration and geometry in 24th of 4th. And now this lecture is from 28th, which we have been postponed to today, and I'm going to cover today, very important, analytical aptitude, my friend. Analytical aptitude. So this analytical means what? Analytical is this, what, my friend? It is simply does not representing some calculation part. Analytical means where you need to put some logic. Okay, and analogy is simply a Latin word which simply means similarity. Are you getting similarity? Or we can consider the pattern. Hope you are getting my point. Similarity, or we are considering with respect to the pattern, my friend. Hope you are getting. Yeah. So here we are going to discuss, or we are going to focus on some similarity or pattern which is going to include in that particular. Okay. So now, very important point is that this analogy questions and answer, if you're discussing with this analytical aptitude, so friend, it is very simple and easy to answer, you know, and it not take long time, means it is not time consuming as well. So my point is to you all with this analytical aptitude is you must go with this question first. Are you getting my point? Because again, if this question asked to you and you can understand the pattern similarly in the question, which we're going to discuss in upcoming time, so you can have the clear idea that how you can go and solve it. So generally I have covered all the basically 5 types of numerical which has been asked in analogy, and which will be very crucial to you, all of you. Okay, so I need your all attention. If you have any doubt, you can ping me a message in the message box. So let's start with us. So friend, first we'll start with the topic 1, means analogy 1. So this is the first type of question, where in each of the following question find out the alternative which will replace the question mark. Okay, so you need to replace this question mark, my friend. Now if you see this question, cup is to lip, then bird is to question mark. Now here what is important? Here the important thing is, my friend, you must understand the analogy, you must understand the similarity, you must understand the pattern which is given in this two particular, in cup and lip. If whatever the analogy it has, you need to put with bird. Are getting my point? So this question I have given to you all generally just to understand you that how you can go with. So the correct answer of this one, like option, it is given bush, grass, forest and brick. Are you getting? So cup and lip. Okay, so cup and lip is how it is related. So we all know that if suppose as far as cup is concerned, it is something you can have some tea and coffee with respect to cup, and you can drink with your mouth. So cup is simply basically contact, means cup contact with your lip only. Are you getting my point? So this is what the analogy between cup and lip. Now we can have this analogy with respect to bird. Okay, so how it is related to bird? So my friend, here I am giving you the explanation to have a good understanding. So if you see here that so just go with this, what it is given, what is the explanation we have. Yes. So cup is used to drink something with the help of lips. Similarly, birds collect grass. Bird collects grass with the help of beak. Beak, my friend, to make her nest. So for human being, the lip is simply analogical with beak of a bird. है ना? Are you getting my point? So lip and beak, these are simply interrelated. Now we all know that this, what they are going to use this beak. So they are going to use this beak for basically for eating or for basically collecting grass, my friend. So here eating it is not given in particular, but yes, we know that yes, lip is simply analogical with beak. Okay, so bird beak is used for eating or for collecting grass. Are you getting? So the correct answer, correct option is D, my friend. Correct option is D. So I believe we can understood this. Please, my friend, this is very important. Okay, if we can't understand, you just unmute and tell me. He said this is not understanding to us. So here the most important point is how we are putting the analogy, okay, and which option is suitable for this particular question. That we need to understand. We need to understand the pattern. Okay, we need to understand the relation between this thing. Okay, so important is relation, my friend. So analogy is all about relation. Are you getting my point? So you need to understand the relation between the given term with respect to this thing. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all. Let's discuss with, yeah, let's discuss with another one. So I hope this is clear to all. Yeah. Now this is the question. Now, if you see here, this flow is related to river. This is given, my friend. This is the given. Flow is to river. We need to go with the stagnant with respect to what? Okay. So what is analogy? If you see here, flow river means what? We all know that river having stream, it is always flowing. River is not which is going to basically it is at one place. River cannot be defined with respect to some with respect to the stream which is at one place. Okay, so similarly, stagnant means what? Stagnant means, if you're talking about Hindi, stagnant का मतलब होता है कि एक जगह ठहरना. Are you getting? Are you getting my point? Okay, so stagnant represent ठहरना. So those means where the water is stagnant. So what it is considered of? It is considered of rain, or it is considered of stream, or it is considered of pool, or it is canal. So my friend, if you see here, we all know that rain, whatever the water, whatever the basically what we can say, the droplets of rain, it is not going to be stagnant. Okay, it is going to be flow. So first option is not correct. Stream, again, stream is simply representing that it is going to be flow, my friend. है ना, stream का मतलब होता है धारा. So कोई भी चाहे वो किसी चीज की भी धारा हो, है ना, it is of different you can take it. So it is always going to be flow. So stagnant means ठहरना. हमको इसका एनालॉजी, हमको इसका रिलेशन देखना है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो कि रिवर से कनेक्टेड हो और वो ठहरी हो, है ना, it is going to be collected somewhere. Yeah. Next is pool and canal. So C and D, ये दोनों बहुत ही क्लोज है. Now we can have कि which one is correct one. Yes. So my friend, the correct answer is C, pool. Why pool? Because we all know that we have a swimming, we can understand from by a word swimming pool. Okay, so pool is simply the place where anything could be constant, है ना, could be stagnant, है ना, वो वहां रहना चाहिए. So pool or a swimming pool is simply where the water is going to be stagnant, my friend. It is not going to be flow. Hope you are getting my point. So the correct answer is pool. Okay, so this is what we are discussing with the first one. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's discuss with another one. Here it is. So like pa, is to cat. What about hoop? Okay, so my friend, first we need to understand the analogy between these two, whatever given. So this is our given point. Now we need to discuss with respect to this one. Okay, so paw, what do you mean by paw? paw का मतलब होता है पंजा. ओके, सो कैट के जो पंजे होते हैं उसको हम लोग पॉ रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो व्हाट अबाउट हुफ? सो हुफ किसका है? मींस इट इज अगेन रिलेटेड टू सम ऑफ पंजा लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. सो किस जानवर के पंजे को आप हुफ बोलोगे? दिस इज व्हाट द एनालॉजी माय फ्रेंड. सो दैट वी नीड टू कवर इट आउट. सो अगेन, and the correct one is, my friend, option D. The correct one is option D, my friend. Yes, again, so hoof is simply related to horse. So horse के जो पंजे होते हैं उसको हम लोग hoof consider करते हैं, hoof बोलते हैं. So I hope you can understand the relation, my friend. Yes, okay. So with respect to this, it is very important that you can understand. So paw is to cat, so horse is to hoof. Next, yeah, see my friend, for this one more important thing which I should highlight here, that you should go with the vocabulary. Are you getting my point? So your vocabulary must be strong, like the synonyms word, antonyms word. Are you getting my point? So if you have the knowledge of this and you can have the good analogies, then you can easily go with this. Okay, like here a word is ornithologist. What is the word? Ornithologist. So orni is simply representing for the bird, and thologist is simply representing the study. So the person who is basically doing the study of a person which is doing the study of bird is considered as ornithologist. Are you getting my point? A person which is doing the study of bird, which is considered as the ornithologist. So now what about archaeologist? As we all know this is very easy question. So arc means, my friend, soil. Arc means what? Soil. Or we can consider the previous, what we can say, the basically statues which is there. So the basically study of this type of point is simply considered as the archaeologist. So now here it is simply related with the archaeology. Yeah, so option C is correct one. So archaeology is simply related with archaeologist. Here it is very easy because it is simply similar to that. So ornithologist is a specialist of birds. Similarly, archaeologist is a specialist of archaeology, my friend. So I believe you can understand it is so much easy, and these are the easy question which has been asked many a times, friend. Okay, so you must understood this in a good way. Yeah. Similarly, yeah. Now next here, peacock is to India. What about bear? So first, what is given, that we need to understand कि भाई इन दोनों के बीच में एनालॉजी क्या है, पिकअप और इंडिया के. So I hope you must know it कि peacock is the international, means our symbol, अंतरराष्ट्रीय पक्षी. So international bird of India or symbolic bird of India is peacock. Are you getting my point? Similarly for bear, so where the bear is representing the national symbolize, so that we should consider. So bear is the symbolize of Russia. Okay, so my friend, this is a GK also. It's a GK. So that's what I'm telling you. This GATE examination, or this basically, if you're talking about basically GATE aptitude, somewhat it is related to the current what is means how much your GK is, how you are good at in your GK. This is also a point here. Okay, so you should be aware about this thing also. So as peacock is the national bird of India, similarly bear is the national animal of Russia. Okay, so here the correct option is C, my friend. Correct option is C. So I believe you are getting this thing, and it is very important. So let's take another one. Yeah. Now, here we're going to discuss the second type of question, my friend, type 2 in analogy. So again, so basically in previous question, if you can have it. So in previous question, what we discuss about that here, we have given the relation first, and the second means this question mark, where it is question mark, we need to find out the analogy. Okay. Now let's discuss in the second one, how this second one is related. So in type 2, you can consider, my friend, here it is not a word. Here some letters are given. What it is given? Some letters are given, my friend. Okay, like here it is given BEGK. Okay, so BEGK, it is not a word. It is not a simple word. These are the letters. Okay, and here this letters is simply analogy, means have relation with this one. So like BEGK having relation with ADFG. ADFG. So whatever will be the relation with respect to this BEGK and ADFG, same relation will be there with PSVY and this question mark, my friend. Hope you are getting my point. So हम लोग क्या यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टाइप 2 में कि आपका जो रिलेशन रहेगा लाइक BEGK के साथ विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ADFG. सो B और A कैसे रिलेटेड है, E और D कैसे रिलेटेड है, G और F कैसे रिलेटेड है और K और J कैसे रिलेटेड है. If you can find out this analogy, same analogy you can find out with this PSVY. So I believe we can simply, because this is very easy one, my friend. So we know कि A के पहले B आता है. That means if I suppose I have B and I am going to opposite direction, मतलब B के पहले क्या आता है हमारे पास? A आता है. ये हमें पता है कि नहीं? ठीक है. Then D के पहले क्या आता है? E. A B C D. हाँ sorry, D के बाद क्या आता है? E. So up यदि if B minus 1, suppose we are taking in a mathematical form. So B में से हम लोग ने एक माइनस किया, मीन्स एक माइनस किया मतलब one place we have minus. Okay, so if you're basically decreasing one place with B, we got A. और E में जब आप एक ऐड करोगे मीन्स +1. So if you going to add +1, E +1, E के 1 प्लस किया तो आगे जाना है हमें, तो आप E के आगे जाओगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? D. So see, now you can understand. Now G से एक माइनस करो आप, so what you get? F. वैसे A B C D E F G H I J K. तो पहले J आ रहा है, K बाद में आ रहा है, so यहाँ -1. So same relation you need to find out this one. Okay, so like P, हम लोग देखते हैं P. तो P यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने B और A के बीच में रिलेशन किया था कि जो गिवन है वहां से जो आने वाला है मींस द सेकेंड टर्म मींस व्हाटएवर यहाँ पे जो वर्ड लेटर रहेगा वो एक क्या होना चाहिए आपका? माइनस होना चाहिए. तो P में से एक माइनस करो, क्या आएगा? Yes, MNOP. So it is O, my friend. आपका क्या आ रहा है? O. P में से आप 1 माइनस करोगे, P minus 1, we got what? O. Are you getting? So मुझे तो पता है कि भाई yes, your option B is correct. Are you getting my point? Why? क्योंकि सेम एनालॉजी मैंने यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. BEGK का जो एनालॉजी था विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ADFG, that I have put it with PSVY, my friend. Okay, so P में से मैंने एक माइनस किया, so I got O. And here I can see that option A is started with what? R. So again correct, incorrect. L भी नहीं आता है और ये second B. So ये ऐसे ही got wrong. So which one is correct? Option B. Now here is the explanation, my friend. So if you minus, like B में से आप एक माइनस करोगे तो आपको A मिलेगा, है ना. सिमिलरली E में से एक माइनस करोगे तो D मिलेगा, G में से एक माइनस करोगे तो ऑफ, है ना. A B C D E, D के बाद E आता है ना. तो E के पहले D आएगा, जी के पहले एफ आ रहा है, के पहले जे आ रहा है. सिमिलरली सेम एनालॉजी हम लोगों को यहां पे भी लगाना है. वॉट एवर गिवन, सो वी हैव गिवन पी एस वी वाई. सो पी में से आप एक माइनस करोगे, वी गॉट ओ. एस में से एक माइनस करोगे, वी गॉट आर. वी में से एक माइनस करोगे, वी गॉट यू. एंड वाई में से एक माइनस करोगे, वी गॉट एक्स. माय फ्रेंड, वी गॉट एक्स. Hope you are getting my point. So with respect to this, if you're going to minus, with respect to this analogy, if you're going to minus, we got this one. We got this one, my friend. So hope it is easy to all of you to understand this thing. Yes? Okay. Okay. Same. Now this is the second one. Okay. So with respect to this, let's go with your point. Okay, I'll give you a minute to understand it. Now here the question is here it is azby, and here it is cxdw. So how a is related to c, z related to x, b related to d, and y related to w, that you need to understood, my friend. And whatever the relation it will be there, you need to find it out with respect to evfu. ओके, सो ए और सी में क्या रिलेशन है? सो मुझे पता है ए प्लस ए में यदि मैं 2 प्लेस आगे जाता हूं, इफ आई इंक्रीज 2 प्लेसेस, आई गॉट सी. ए बी, यू गॉट सी. यस और नो? सिमिलरली जेड में से क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक्स. मुझे जेड से कहां जाना है? एक्स की तरफ जाना है. सो आई नीड टू अगेन -2, है ना? एक्स वाई जेड. आर यू गेटिंग? सो मैं जेड में से जब 2 माइनस करूंगा, आई गॉट एक्स. सो सिमिलरली यू नीड टू गो विद दिस. सो ई में जब मैं +2 करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? ई एफ जी. सो मुझे ये तो पता चल गया कि मुझे यहां जो एक नंबर मिलने वाला है, सॉरी लेटर आने वाला है, दैट विल बी जी. सो अब मेरे पास जी वाले तो 3 है. आर यू गेटिंग? सो बट ऑप्शन डी इज इनकरेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज द फर्स्ट लेटर इज टी, बट हमें पता है कि हमारा फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होना चाहिए? जी. तो दिस इज रॉन्ग. होप यू आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. या, सो नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस वन, व्हिच वन इज करेक्ट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट सेकंड, हियर इट इज वी. वी में से हमको 2 माइनस करना है, मतलब हमें 2 पीछे जाना है. ओके, तो पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी. सो टी यू वी एस टी यू वी, तो टी माय फ्रेंड. तो मुझे पता है कि टी के बाद, है ना, टी में यदि मैं 2 माइनस करता हूं तो आई गॉट वी, टी यू वी. या, होप यू आर गेटिंग. सो विद दिस ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, बिकॉज सी हम भी आ गए ना जी टी. और आप यहां देखोगे, इफ यू सी द ऑप्शंस फ्रेंड, यहां जी एच था, अगेन इट इज इनकरेक्ट. यहां जी एस था, वो भी इनकरेक्ट है. जी टी हमें मिल गया और हमें भी जी टी था, हेंस ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. एंड हियर इज द एनालॉजी. सी, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? यस. सो ए में से 2 प्लस किया तो सी मिलेगा. जेड एक्स पे, एक्स में से उल्टा +2 किया तो आपको ये मिलेगा. Are you getting? So I believe you can understand that how we are approaching with respect to this system. Yes? So just look for this 2 1. अब F में से आपने basically what we need to plus, है ना, D E F. So D E F बोले तो again you need to make +2, means in this here if you see my friend, यहाँ इन्होंने डायरेक्शन चेंज किया हुआ है. सी, जहां प्लस करना है ये यहां जा रहा है, फिर यहां पे इन्होंने अगेन यहां डायरेक्शन दिखाया. सो यू जस्ट विदाउट बेसिकली इफ यू पुटिंग योर डायरेक्शन लाइक दिस, यदि मुझे डायरेक्शन ऐसा रखना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा? इसको -2 करूंगा. इफ यू नीड टू पुट डायरेक्शन हियर, जस्ट माइनस, पुट हियर माइनस, यू गॉट सेम आंसर. सिमिलरली होप यू आर गेटिंग. हियर वी में से आपने -2 किया, यू गॉट 2. हियर यू में से आपने -2 प्लेस किया, so -2 is what we are doing? -2 हम लोग यहाँ प्लेस इंटरचेंज कर रहे हैं. आर गेटिंग? सो -2 का मतलब कुछ नहीं कि -2 कर रहे हैं. -2 का यहाँ सिंपल सा मतलब है, यू आर पुटिंग और यू आर डूइंग माइनस, मीन्स यू आर गोइंग 2 स्टेप बिफोर. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट इंपॉर्टेंट. या, So I hope this is understood to you all, my friend. So see here, very easy it is to understand. Now let's go with this one. Here the relation about this. So what is important? Whatever the relation which is given for us, first we need to focus on this, and then we'll go with here. Okay, so here if you see, we have ACEG with respect to IKMO. Next is we need to find out with QSUW. So first we need to find the relation between these two, then we'll go with this one. Okay, so A is related to I. How is A related to I, my friend? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. That means if I'm going to plus 8 position, are getting, if we are going to plus 8 position, we got I. Okay, then C to K. C to K what? So again, you just count it. C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So it is M. Again, you need to add plus 8, my friend. So Q, just add 8 position ahead. Plus करो 8 पे. So Q के बाद क्या आता है बताइए? R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. So that is correct. Means we need to put Y here. Then S के बाद again you need to go with that. So S के बाद T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, are you getting my point? So here, see, option C is correct. So अब Z के बाद क्या लेंगे? तो Z के बाद आपने फिर से A लेना है. So if you are going to add, my friend, S के बाद you need to add plus 8 position. तो 8 जब आप जाओगे तो S के बाद it is T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. अब Z मतलब 7 position है, it is not 8. तो Z के बाद क्या लेंगे हम लोग? फिर से we'll go with A. Are you getting? So Z के बाद next position will be A. Not आपको Z पे नहीं रुकना है. You need to go again A. Are you getting? This is the trick, my friend. You must note this point. Very important. कि Z के बाद हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हमारे लिए next step के लिए हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हम लोग जा रहे हैं A के पास. इसलिए हम लोग we are going to choose as YA. So हम लोग जब YA consider करते हैं, so this option 1 is incorrect. Option D is also incorrect. Option C is correct one. ठीक है? So again आपको क्या करना है? See, U के बाद आपको फिर से जाना है. Okay, so U के बाद again you need to make a plus 8. So just count it. After U, we got V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B. So again, 8 place is B, my friend. Understand it. Very important. Very important. Okay. So with this, you can understand it. Okay. Hope you are getting this. Simple one. So I hope you are getting this, and here is the explanation, my friend. You need to go for plus 8. Okay, so A, C, E, F, G, you just do plus 8. Okay, so you need to just add it 8 step ahead, and you got your correct answer. Okay, yes. Now next one. Now friend, here the next thing is we need to go for third part. So I hope till now we have go with the 2 parts of analogy, 2 different type of numerical we have gone through it. Okay, the first one where you need to discuss about some letters. Okay, you need to go ahead with the plus minus, means you need to shift the places of that particular letters and you need to find out the answer. इसके पहले हम लोगों ने गेट फर्स्ट इसमें क्या देखा था? We have some words, और उस वर्ड में जो एनालॉजी है, like peacock related to India, and then bear related to what? Russia. Are you getting? So peacock is a nationalized bird of India. Similarly, peacock is what? Nationalized bird of India, my friend. So what about bear? So bear is related to okay. So this is what. So this 2 1. Now next, this is third type. Now what we need to consider here? Here we need to consider, friend, like see here, 14. Now here, now we need to play with our numbers. यहाँ अभी लेटर नहीं है, वर्ड नहीं है. थर्ड टाइप में क्या आ रहा है? हम लोग यहाँ we will discuss it with a number, my friend. So means we have this number understanding. So 14:9. So हमें ये देखना है कि 14 और 9 के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है. 14 और 9 के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है. Similarly, we need to go with a 26 with respect to this question mark. So 14 और 9 के बीच में क्या रिलेशन हो सकता है? Can anyone describe it? Or if you know the answer, you just put it in the message box. So what is the relation between 14 and 9? What is the relation between 14 and 9? The relation is, my friend, see, मैं आपको सिंपल बताता हूं. 14 का एक रिलेशन आता है जो 9 के साथ मैच हो सकता है. सी 7 into 2. 7 into 2 कितना होता है बताओ मुझे. 7 into 2 कितना होता है? 14 होता है कि नहीं. नाउ अब मैंने यहां क्या किया, ये जो यहां इंटू था, यदि मैं इंटू को चेंज करता हूं, इफ आई रिप्लेस दिस मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन विथ प्लस एंड सेम वर्ड्स आप सेम रखो, मतलब जो नंबर्स है वो सेम रखो, तो व्हाट यू गेट, 7 + 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 9 होगा कि नहीं होगा? Hope you are getting my analogy here. You are getting relation. Yes, very important. So 7 into 2 is 14. Similarly, 7 plus 2 is what? 9. Now here we have 2 6, my friend, 26. So again, if suppose I'm putting here, we have 26. So अब आप यहां पे मतलब जो 9 के साथ हमें रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना था. सो 9 का जो लोकेशन है, दैट इज द लोकेशन ऑफ आवर क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो सेम एनालॉजी हमको यहां करना है, मतलब हमको करना क्या है, हमको प्लस करना है फ्रेंड with this multiplication form. So how it is going to be there, how it is related? Yes, yes. So yeah, here the next with this one, see 14 के लिए इन्होंने कैसे यूज किया? 2 into 9 minus 4. 2 into 9 minus 4. 2 9s are 18. 18 minus 4, 14. Okay. Now here, if suppose जो मैंने पहले एनालॉजी बताई थी आपको, 7 into 2 14 आ रहा है भाई, 7 plus 2 9 आ रहा है. तो अब यहाँ मैंने सपोज यहाँ पे 2 into 6 किया रहता, यहाँ पे मुझे प्लस ही करना था, तो मैं सपोज 2 plus 6 किया रहता. 2 plus 6 मुझे कितना मिला होता? 8. बट 8 ऑप्शन में है क्या? नहीं. सो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट एनालॉजी. See, my friend, this is what the thought process, you need to understand it. So here, what is the correct analogy here? Yes. What do you need to do? You need to, again, first you need to multiply and then subtract the same number. So 2 9s are 18 minus 4, we got 14. So यहाँ 9 यहाँ आ रहा है, देखो कहाँ पे आ रहा है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन वाले फॉर्म पे. Similarly, 26 कैसे आ सकता है? Again, 2 into 15 minus 4. 2 15 2s are 30 minus 4, how much it is? 26. Hope you are getting the analogy. So my friend, here it is 15. Okay, so 9 यहां पे था राइट हैंड साइड में, तो राइट हैंड साइड में क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह भी क्या आएगा हमारा? 15. Hence option D is correct one, my friend. Option D is correct one. So my friend, the most important thing here is to understand analogy. और यहाँ पे आप कितने एक्टिव हो, कितने जल्दी आप लॉजिक पुट आउट कर रहे हो, that is very important. So you need to focus on the logic. Yeah, so hope you are understanding this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's have the next one, friend. Now here again, see, this is third type of category we are discussing. Okay, so third type में हम लोग numerical वाला साथ में consider कर रहे हैं. Like here, see, यहाँ क्या relation दिया हुआ है कि भाई MO is to 13. Here M related to 13 and O related to 11. M 13, O 11. Then what will be the analogy or proportion with H or J? So H or J की जगह क्या आएगा? If you are putting M or if you are having relation M with 13 or O is 11, so H or J क्या रहेगा? So my friend, we need to first understand कि भाई how M and 13 related. Okay, so in this again I have something for you. Like एक मैं आपको जो बेसिक बता रहा हूँ, ये A B C D E F G है ना, हमें पता है ये सब. We know that these are total 26. You just put it here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is what one analogy. Now if with respect to this, now just check कि what is the position of M. M की position कितनी है? यदि A1 represent कर रहा है, B2 C3, what is the position of M?
$13.
Yeah, here it is. So here is what we need to think about. So this is what the analogy, friend. So yeah, sorry. So again, now if so हमें समझ में आ गया which type, which point we are focusing here. So again, if I am talking about H, in that case, sorry, so in that case, if you'll go with H and J, same analogy, you got the answer, and that will be 18 and 16.
No, sir, 18 and 10. 8 and 10.
Sorry, yeah, it is 8 and 10. Next one is, yeah, this is somewhat tricky, and it is asked recently. 123 is related to 13 square. So what about 235? And how it is related, that we need to find it out. So you need to find out the basic relation, how it is. Now we know यहाँ relation कैसे समझ में आ रहा है? The relation is, friend, हमें पता है कि 13 का स्क्वायर it is not 123. 13 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? It is 169. बट ये रिलेशन कैसे फाइंड आउट किया हमने? कुछ नहीं किया है. देखो ये जो 2 था, इनके बीच में ये जो मिडिल टर्म है, द मिडिल डिजिट इज 2, उसको उन्होंने स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिखा है. आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो सिमिलरली इस 235 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं? 2 5 वैसे ही, और मैं क्या करूंगा, ये जो मिडिल टर्म है 3, उसको किस पोजीशन पे लिखना है? यहां पे. सो आई विल पुट लाइक दिस. सो 25 का क्यूब. होप यू आर गेटिंग. सो ऑप्शन सी. सो माय फ्रेंड, कभी कभी आपको इस तरह की भी एनालॉजी अप्लाई करनी है ना. मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है कि जो आपके पास गिवन रिलेशन है, whatever the given relation or analogy given, you need to think in that way for the next one. It is clear to all? आ रहा है समझ में सभी को? सो यहाँ पर 1 2 3 था. सो 2 को आपने क्या किया हुआ? स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में पुट किया लाइक दिस. सो सेम एनालॉजी you need to put here. Hence option C is correct one. So the middle digit of first term become power to the next term. This is what the explanation for this. Yeah, let's see, think about this one. Yeah, here 8 is to 28. 8 is to 28. What about 27? Now 8 and 28, how they are related? First we need to think about it. 8 and 28, how they are related? We need to think about this 27, my friend. Okay, so can anyone, how this 8 and 28 related? And then same thing we need to think about 27. Yes, so friend, see, here is the explanation. So answer D means this 65. And how it is? See here. So first number is 8. Now the sum of this two, 8 plus 2 is 10, and thus the difference between the two number 10 minus 8 is 2. That means what? If you are adding that two same number, see what is the basically concept here. If you are adding that two number 8 and you are adding same number, you got the resultant is same 10. Now if you are applying means minus 10 minus 8, you got same number. Similarly friend, see here we have 27 now. So 7 plus 2, first you do this one. So 7 plus 2 is 9. Are you getting? Now hence the sum of digit should be 2 more than 9. Okay, so 9 से 2 more मतलब क्या होगा 11. Are you getting this thing? So hence the fourth number means the fourth number, what is important? Fourth number is 65. So here the sum of digit of this one third, see here it is the point with respect to this numbers, my friend. The sum of digit of fourth number should be 2. Sum of digit of fourth number should be 2 more than 9. So it will be there 11. Are you getting? So 11 का आप जब plus करोगे means 6 plus 5 you got 11. Hence we are putting 65 here. Hope you are getting this. 8 plus 2 हमने जब किया था, that will we are getting 10. And when you are minusing is 10 minus 8, you got 2. Similarly, we need to put this analogy here. Next, we need to discuss the fourth type of analogy. Okay, so friend, here how we need to go ahead. In each word of the following question consists of pair of words bearing a relation among this. Okay, so there is a relation between this glove and hand. Pick up the pair the best illustrate a similar relationship. So whatever relationship it is showing in the question, like glove is to hand, same we need to put it here in the correct options. Okay, so we have less time and I need to cover more, so I'm going somewhat fast. So my friend, see, glove is to hand. We know that glove we are used to wear in hand, okay, by doing some work, or in winter as well, just to driving a bike or something like, yeah, whenever you go outside. So similarly, how it is there? So correct option is C. Socks is to feet. Yes or no? So glove is worn in hand. Similarly, socks are worn on feet. This is what. Next question. Lawyer is to court, my friend. And this type of question asked many times. So lawyer, court. So lawyer is the profession, means lawyer related to court with respect to the professionalism. Similarly, what about this? So option is, my friend, chemist. So chemist is the position with respect to the lab. This is what his or her profession. Yeah. So similarly, but businessman in office, no. It is not necessary कि businessman office में बैठेगा. They can go with the company, factory as well. Labor is to factory. It is not necessary कि labor जो factory में काम करता है उसी को हम बोलेंगे. जो रास्ते पे भी काम करता है उसको भी हम लोग labor बोलते हैं. Athlete is to Olympic. Again, it is not correct. Those who are participating in Olympic only, that is not, they are not athlete. Are you getting? Those who are not participating in Olympic or a different what we can say sports tournament, they also are athletes. So again, here is the matching is A, my friend. Chemistry is to laboratory. Next, later is to word. Same analogy is with respect to A, my friend. Page is to book. Why not product is to factory? Because all factory does not produce product. Are you getting? Like TCS. TCS, what it is producing? It is software company. So it producing the softwares. So again, product is somewhat, it is hardware type. Are you getting my point? So product is simply hardware, but product can be in a different form as well. So club is to people. How? Club is for different purpose also. Homework is to school? No. College में भी आपको भी अभी homework मिलता है in engineering college. So homework is related to all there. So hence these are incorrect except this A. So try to understand the analogy, my friend. This is very important. Next, lively is to dull. Dull का मतलब होता है सुस्त, और lively means when you are active. So similarly, you need to find out the analogy. So here, sorry, correct one again, A. So lively का मतलब क्या होता है? When you are very energetic. Dull means उसका opposite. So here it is opposite. First word is opposite to other. So flower का opposite bird नहीं होता है. Factory का opposite labor नहीं होता है. Happy का opposite gay नहीं होता है. है ना. So hence these three are incorrect. The correct one is employed and jobless, है ना. Yes. Next one, silence is to noise. Again they are opposite one. Yeah. So opposite pair हमको find out करना है, ठीक है, and that is correct one. See, quit का पीस नहीं होता है, क्विट का भी मतलब होता है शांति और पीस का मतलब भी होता है शांति. So this is incorrect. Talk wish to whisper, गलत है. Talk silent, that is what. Sing and dance, again it is incorrect. हाँ, baldness is to hair, that is correct, है ना. This is correct, hence option B. So try to understand the relation, my friend. This is very important. Now the last type of analogy which I am discussing, and within a short time. So friend, here it is, type 5. So here what we need to do, and this is last type. So each of the following question has a group. Find out which one of the given alternative will be another member of the group or of that class. So here apple, grape, orange, है ना. So इसमें whatever the given option we have, ये कौन से इसमें आता है ग्रुप में, that you need to find out. लॉजिक क्लियर हो रहा है. लाइक एप्पल, ग्रेप एंड ऑरेंज, ये बहुत इजी है, हमें पता है कि दिस आर द ग्रुप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स. यस और नो. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, बिकॉज वेजिटेबल तो है नहीं है, स्टेम्स भी नहीं है और ओट्स भी नहीं है. लॉजिक क्लियर हो रहा है सभी को. सो माय फ्रेंड, दिस इज द लास्ट मींस फिफ्थ टाइप ऑफ एनालॉजी व्हिच हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन वेरियस गेट एग्जाम्स एंड ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम एज वेल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, या लखनऊ, पटना, भोपाल, जयपुर. नाउ लखनऊ, पटना, भोपाल, जयपुर, how they are interrelated. So if you see, my friend, this Lucknow is again the capital of UP, Uttar Pradesh. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Jaipur is the capital of what? Rajasthan. So similarly, Mysore is not a capital. Pune is not a capital. Indore is not a capital. Yes, but Shimla is. Are you getting my point? Yes. Next, lock, shut, fasten. Now you need to find out the group, my friend, है ना. You need to find out the group or similar. So lock, shut, fasten. So option D, that is, it is related to block, because lock करना मतलब क्या, कोई भी चीज आपने लॉक करी है. shut मतलब किसी भी चीज को बंद करना होता है. fasten means when is something is some fasting, है ना, means fast. So it is related to block. Iron, door and window, these are the simple what we can say parts of house or home. Hope you are getting my point. So here block is the correct answer. Yes. Next, here it is, wheat, barley, rice. So we all know these are the simple related to crops. Okay, so these are related and we simply we are simply using it. So option D is correct. All the term given in the question are cereals, and gram is also one of the cereals. So it is all about cereals, my friend. Okay, so option D is correct. C, try to understand the analogy, friend. And today's last question, pathology, cardiology, radiology and ophthalmology. Okay, these are the four. So find out the correct one. Biology, hematology, zoology and geology. So pathology, cardiology, radiology and ophthalmology. My friend, I hope if you're visiting any hospital, like from your side, if you're talking about Lata Mangeshkar Hospital, yeah, and there any hospital, they have different sections of pathology, cardiology, radio, ophthalmology. So depending on this same, what will be the next one, that we need to find out. So biology, it is the branch of plant which is we need to study. Okay, so the correct answer is B. Zoology is related to study of animal. Geology, the study of geography. Okay, so hematology. Okay, because these are all related to medical term. So hematology is also a medical term. So I believe you now understand how it is there, friend. Yes, the next analogy, type 6, very important. Indolence is related to work. In the same way, taciturn is related to what? So friend, indolence and work are opposite. So taciturn का opposite होता है speak. See, here you need to have the vocabulary, है ना. If you don't know the meaning of indolence, so आप समझ ही नहीं पाओगे कि क्या relation आता है. Are you getting? Yes. Second, Ophthalmia is related to eye in the same way. Rickets is related to bone. Okay, so this is simply a disease. Ophthalmia ये eye का disease है. Similarly, rickets related to bone. Very important, friend. Nun is related to convent in the same way. Hen is related to, yes. So dwelling place is simply related to where it is going to work or where they are going to do some work. Reading is related to knowledge in the same way work. Very important question. है ना, बहुत बार पूछा है ये. So reading is related to knowledge. Reading gives you knowledge. Similarly, work is related to what? Yes. Work is related to experience. Most of लोग money बोलते हैं, नहीं हमको पैसा मिलेगा. No, my friend. Most important is your experience. Are you getting? So very important question. Just note it down, this one. And last question. Dress is related to body in the same way as bangle is related to what? Yes. I hope girl can answer me. Yes. So dress is worn on body. Similarly, bangles are worn on wrist. Yeah. So option C is correct. Yes, friend. So now I hope total we have discussed the 6 pattern, different type of analogy, 6 type of category I have discussed with you. Just go with this. Okay. And again, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at this mail ID, or here is my contact number. You can have a contact with me. I'm always eager to solve your queries. And these are some links which is there. So thank you for your attention and your patience. So all the best for your exam and happy new year to all of you. Thank you. And if anyone have any query, they can put me in a message box, or else we will stop here. So I hope no query. So I can understood that you got a very good idea about analogy, where we have covered the 6 different types. So thank you one and all. See you in the upcoming days. Thank you.